What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Dragonfly Code. My name is Kevin, and in today's episode, we're just going to be doing another Learning Python blog. So, this is going to be a relatively short video because I haven't been doing a whole lot within the realm of Python. Not really going over any tutorials, not flashcards, not even working on the alphabetic calculator that I'm attempting to create all on my little lonesome. But, reason being is I haven't given up or anything up to that effect or that nature. It's just, I was attempting to do this like every day for hours on end because I broke my thumb, so I'm out of work. So I have a lot of time on my hands. And that's pretty much almost what I've been doing the last, say 4 weeks, not including the week and a half that I've already taken off. Just constantly wake up, get on the computer, watch a tutorial, or just start crunching my alphabetic calculator out. And then it would work, and then it wouldn't work, and I just decided maybe I need a break. So I'm taking a break right now. I think I'm going to start back up after Wednesday, which would be tomorrow. I'm going to jump back into the fray. But today is another rest day. I'll probably actually do some writing in a novel. I haven't done that in like a month within of itself. So that's the plan. That's what's going on. I'm just going to work in a novel today and hopefully maybe even create a schedule so there's a little bit more equilibrium in terms of learning Python, working on building a website, like a portfolio, and then of course, as well as brain farting right now, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see. Working on my writing. So, that's pretty much it. I think that's going to sum up this relatively short video within of itself. But that's all I have to say, and just a minor quick update.